I start working here today.
Nice to meet you. Let me explain the rules.
I like to do things my way.
First, speak politely to customers. Next, serve customers with a smile.
My smile has value. It costs extra.
Please do it for free. Take orders correctly. If you are not sure, ask another staff member.
I hate asking people.
Then don't make mistakes.
People grow from mistakes.
That is not what we are talking about. If there is a problem, call the manager right away.
I already have a problem.
With what?
There are too many rules.
There are only 5. Now go to the register.
Don't tell me what to do. You are younger than me.
You may be older, but you are new here. First, take this customer's order.
Already? Real work? Welcome. Are you ready to order?
One cheeseburger, no combo, please.
What?
A cheeseburger, please?
Your voice is too quiet.
Are you making fun of an old man?
I didn't mean that.
Then speak louder.
One cheeseburger, no combo, please.
Okay. 10 deluxe burger combos.
No! Just one cheeseburger, please.
What a sad order. Get a combo.
Then one cheeseburger combo, please.
Of course. That will be $18.
Isn't that expensive?
It is deluxe.
A regular combo, please.
You complain a lot.
I am just saying normal things.
Give me a tip.
I do not want to pay one.
What a rude customer.
John, do not ask for tips. Go make the drink.
Drinks are easy.
Put the cup down. Stop when it is full.
Do not treat me like a child. It is just a button.
A regular combo, please.
Are you still complaining?
The manager yelled at me because of you.
John, watch the cup. It is overflowing.
Why does it not stop by itself?
You have to stop it.
You should have said that first.
Do not do anything else. Put the fries in the bag.
Leave it to me.
Did you just eat my fries?
John, did you eat the customer's fries?
I was just checking the quality.
Do not eat them without permission.
I am getting yelled at because of you.
Here, drink this.
John, what are you doing?
Manager, we have a problem. The customer spilled the drink everywhere.
Go home for today.